Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to delete incognito history on Google Chrome in phone. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Even though incognito mode will go and prevent your browser from saving your browsing history and other data, your device's DNS still records the domain you go and visit. So we can delete that and clear it. To do this, we need to return to normal Chrome. So we can tap on the Tabs button in the top right and go press on Tabs over to the left there. And what we can then do is go and type in chrome/net-internals, just like so. Press go and you get brought to this page here. Come over to the left and go tap on DNS, like so. Then what you can do is come over to the right and tap on Clear Host Cache. That will go and delete it. That go and delete the history. So that's basically how you can delete incognito history on Google Chrome in phone. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.